bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Partially close the glove box. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Lower the glove box. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1107 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by threading the rubber part through first. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.